Hello everybody, this is Paul Poh. Welcome to my another episode of factory tour. Today I'll be showing you a factory located in Telok Panglima Garang, a newly built factory. The land area is 2.8 acres and the factory built up is 30,000 square feet. Let's go, I'll show you around. On this property, there is a very large open yard beside the factory. As you can see here, beside this factory, there's a very large open yard. Here I'll be showing you the factory. It's an open concept factory. There's a 2-story office space at the front of the building. Let's walk inside. I'm standing right in the center of this factory. As you can see, this is the back part of the factory. This is the side. It's all we call it open concept. On the front will be the office space. As you can see, beside this, beside the factory, these two main access, right? It's all nicely built with concrete finishing. So it's mainly built for heavy duty usage. Heavy trucks or heavy containers can enter without worrying the floor sinking. So this is the office space. As you can see, all the lightings are all LED lights. LED lights. There you go. As we walk through the back part of the factory, right, you have there's another separate toilet and washroom for your workers. And right behind the factory, there's a garbage. There's a garbage space that you can store your garbage, and there will be a weekly third-party company will come and collect your garbage. This is a very good design, as you don't need to store all your garbage in front of the factory. It looks very messy. This is the back part of the factory and the side of the factory. So, tell me, what do you think about this factory? This factory is not suitable for everyone, but this factory might be suitable for you. It has 4 openings and a very large open yard beside the factory. So, if you have any comments, you can comment below. And remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll be shooting more and more videos regarding industrial property in Malaysia. Thank you everyone. My name is Paul Poh, and I see you next time. Bye.